29th of April, 1961. Founders of WWF are Julian Huxley, Peter Scott, and Max Nicholson. The agreement which resulted in establishment of WWF got famous as Morge's Manifesto. WWF was named as World Wildlife Fund and it was changed into Worldwide Fund for Nature in 1983. Public meeting at Royal Society of Arts, London. On 26th of April, 1961. Speaker Julian Huxley. From left to right Peter Scott, Lord Hercombe, and Professor J.B. Bear's picture. Copyright WWF WWF Pakistan. WWF Pakistan was established as a result of efforts of Syed Babar Ali, Tom Roberts, and Christopher Savage in 1970. Copyright WWF Kant. Head office of WWF Pakistan is located in Lahore. 5 regional offices are in the cities of Islamabad, Karachi, Peshawar, Gilgit, and Quetta. Bilal Amir Sufi is the president of WWF Pakistan. Selected areas of WWF Pakistan * wildlife * forest food and climate * water marine water energy wildlife Indus River dolphin Platonistic Agentica minor. Endemic species of Pakistan. It is distributed in Indus River and its tributaries between Jinnah and Kotari Barrage. It is important indicator of health of environment. During past few years number of individuals of this species has decreased dramatically. Threats overfishing depletes the stock of fish and resultantly decline in population occurs. Water pollution, any kind of waste, agricultural, industrial, and plastic, makes the survival of animal difficult. Trapping of dolphin in Indus River connected channels. During low-flow season water level falls and survival of Indus dolphin becomes difficult. Poverty. Most of underprivileged rely on fishing for their livelihood which leads to overfishing. Conservation efforts. Establishment of dolphin monitoring network. Members of Dolphin Monitoring Network include Sindh Wildlife Department, Sindh Forest Department, Sindh Fisheries Department, Sindh Irrigation Department and Sindh Environmental Protection Agency. Purpose of this network is recovery of dolphins trapped in Indus River channels. Kant. Establishment of Indus River Dolphin Conservation Center, IRTC. Farmer schools for sustainable agricultural practices. Vocational training center to raise socio-economic status. Dolphin ecotourism. Raising awareness at all levels. Common leopard, Panthera pardus, also known as cheetah. The status of common leopard is critically endangered. WWF Pakistan 2017 It is found in the areas of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Ajk, Ayubia, Murray, and Marg Allah Hills. 4 subspecies are reported in Pakistan, but the exact number of each subspecies is not yet established. Distribution map of common leopard anthropogenic threats to leopard habitat destruction and fragmentation. Reduced number of leopards, prey, retaliatory killing of leopard, poaching, predation by common leopard is also resulting in death of humans, killing of domesticated animals. Conservation measures. Common leopard conservation project of WWF aims to reduce conflict between human and leopard by installing signboards, livestock management, collaring of leopard to understand their habitat, and biology, raising awareness. Distribution map of Unchia snow leopard, Unchia uncia. It spends summer at an altitude of 27006000 m and in winters it comes down at height of 2000 m. Global population of snow leopards is 3,920 to 6,390. SLT USA 2017. In Pakistan their estimated population is 200,420. SLT USA 2017. Conservation measures. Introduction of livestock insurance schemes. Vaccination of livestock. Afforestation. Introduction of better pedigrees of livestock. Awareness regarding management of pastures and importance of leopard. Alternative means to feed livestock are also being introduced, e.g. fodder cultivation. White-backed vulture, Gyps bengalensis, marked as critically endangered by IUCN. This bird is now limited to areas of Thar Parker and Nagar Parker in Sindh. The rapid decline in its population has been caused by use of diclofenac sodium, a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, in livestock. Conservation measures. Gyps Vulture Restoration Program, GVRP, ban on veterinary use of diclofenac sodium. Establishment of Vulture Conservation Center. Vulture Safe Zone Project, VSZP, raising awareness through community-based organizations, CBO. Surveys to keep an eye on population of Gyps bengalensis. Lobbying for meloxicam. Vulture Conservation Center. Changamanga freshwater turtle. Freshwater turtle holds very important position in aquatic food chain, but its presence is under serious threat due to habitat fragmentation, water pollution, illegal trade. 8 species reported to be present in Indus River are Chitra indica, Pangshura tecta, Pangshura smithihart, Elithergy, Nilssonia gigantica, Nilssonia herum, Lysames punctata, Andersonia I, Geoclemis hamiltonii I. Conservation efforts. Inclusion of these animals in Schedule 3. Helping governmental authorities by reporting illegal trade practices wherever found. Awareness-raising sessions. WWF and Forest Improving Sub-Watershed Management and Environmental Awareness around Ayeyarobia National Park, G200E Korjun, Phase 8, 1997–present, raising awareness about environmental-friendly activities e.g. solar heaters. Afforestation, sustainable use of water. WWF and Water International Labour and Environmental Standards Applications in Pakistan SMEs, 2016–2022. Legislation and law enforcement in order to bound industries to use smart environmental practices, less chemical and sustainable water use. Installation of freshwater plants in Lahore. International Union for Conservation of Nature outline history themes protected areas green list capacity development species save our species, SOS. IUCN Red Data Book World Conservation Congress introduction established was on 5 October 1948, as International Union for Protection of Nature, IUPN. It was renamed as IUCN in 1956. Initially worked to analyze human impact on environment and later on started working as conservation organization. IUCN's work regarding conventions. Ramsar Convention on Wetlands, 1971. The World Heritage Convention, 1972. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, 1974. The Convention of Biological Diversity, CBD, 1993. Selected themes of IUCN: climate change, protected areas, water species, biodiversity, marine and polar forest protected areas, green list. Areas with international conservation standard are enlisted in this list. Currently contains 25 areas. IUCN aims to reach 100 areas till 2020. No protected area from Pakistan is included in this list. Capacity development, raising awareness through training and reading material to get fruitful results of conservational measures. IUCN Red Data Book first published in 1964. Considered an authority regarding statuses of different species. Excellent tool to assess disruption caused by humans. Source to assess effects of conservational efforts. Categories of Red Data Book. Copyright IUCN Save Our Species, SOS. For threatened species, SOS in birds. Of total 11,000 bird species, 13% are threatened with extinction status. Of over 190 birds is critically endangered. IUCN Switzerland 2017. Major threats: agricultural expansion, overexploitation, logging, climate change. SOS. Why mammals part of gene pool. Source of food. Important part of food chain. According to IUCN, 25% of mammal species, 5,500, are at the risk of extinction. IUCN Switzerland 2017. 156 species are moving readily towards extinction. IUCN Switzerland 2017. Conservation Measures Specialist Group / Task Force